Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look with my Blueberry Muffin, yes, Blueberry Muffin by BH Cosmetics palette. I won this in a giveaway from them in Third Level over on Instagram. If you want to see that video, check it out here. I'm also doing a giveaway in that video as well, so you want to join in on that. So again, check that video out after you've watched this video. Anyways, I'm going to do this look, very easy look, with this Blueberry palette. Now I have super duper hooded eyes, but yeah, it was pretty easy. So yes, if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I only use 3 colors in here. I use the gray treat, it's like a blue sparkle, like, I don't even know if it's duochrome, maybe, I don't know, but it's tempting. And then for my inner corner, I used sugared. So I used everything else for my project pan, my potion project pan. I'll also link that video up here and in the description box below so you can see what else I've been using. The only thing different I used was for foundation. I used my Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And put that away. Ooh, and then I also used my Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Contour Palette. This is Volume 1. And then I used some Bitter Lace Beauty highlighters. I used whatever that one is. I'm going to start showing you how I did this eye look now. Okay, keep in mind, I am not an expert. I am still learning how to do my eyeshadow, but I thought this was a very easy way to do it, and I thought it'd be great to share it with you all. That's why I'm doing this video. But anyways, yes, I'm going to start with just a thinner brush. I'm using that gray color called Treat. I'm putting that in kind of like a rainbow shape around my eye. I'm just kind of stamping it along. After this, I'm going to take a different type of brush and I'm going to blend it. I'm going to blend it up, blend it down. I'm going to blend it all around. And to me, brushes don't matter, so I'm not going to tell you what type of brushes I used. I honestly don't even think it really matters much. You know, if you want to get into brushes, that's awesome. You do you. I just kind of grab whatever's clean and whatever suits my needs at the time, and it's usually just smaller brushes because I have such hooded eyes. I can't use these big ass brushes that everyone else is using. But I did I did get a lot of Sigma brushes based off of Annette's Makeup Corner and some other hooded eye YouTubers. Yes, a lot of smaller brushes, although I do have a ton of brushes anyways from stuff that I've gotten from places like Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Oh my gosh, I have so many brushes, I probably need to declutter them. But yes, anyways, I am just blending. Oh, there's my nose. Blending. And then I'm going to stamp on a little bit more of that Treat color just to try to darken up a bit. It doesn't seem like it darkened up too much though. And I did post a photo of this in a Facebook group I'm in called Hooded Eyed Beauties, and they were telling me to bring it up higher, but that's not what I wanted to do. That wasn't my intention. My intention was to kind of make it like a surprise when I open my eyes. Because, you know, when you have hooded eyes, yes, your eyes are open, you can't really see the color if you don't bring it up high enough. But as we talk, as we move, as we make facial expressions, you can see the color. So it's kind of like a, ooh, there's color there. Wow, that's something different. So that it was actually my intention to stop the color where I had stopped it. Oh yes, and now I'm rocking out to Queen. I had Queen playing in the background. It's a shame that I can't play it in the actual video. Anyways, now I'm taking some of my ABH eye primer, my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. That is my favorite right now, and I'm patting that down and blending it downwards just to make that blue color pop a little bit more once I actually put it on the eye. I'm not being very precise, as you can see. I'm just using my fingers. Lots of rocking out. I should probably cut this out of the video. That's fine. So I'm using a flat style shader brush, I guess, and I'm taking that blue color Temptation and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. It's a very pretty color. I did not use any glitter glue. I didn't wet my brush or anything, so this actually laid down very nicely. I was very impressed with the color. And then I'm just going to very slightly blend it out into the gray, and that's about it. That's how easy this look was. I liked it a lot. And just, you know, you'll see I am going over my other eye just a little bit just to make sure everything matches up well. And then I'm just putting another layer of that blue on top just to make sure it's nice and opaque. It's a very pretty color. I don't know if that's duochrome or not, but I love it. It's a very pretty color. BH Cosmetics, just from what I've tried so far out of these palettes, just, you know, first impression, it was very good. Now I'm just taking some of that sugared color and I'm just putting that right underneath my eyebrow. And also in my inner corner, for my inner corner highlight. I love that tip. I never knew about that before. I didn't know people did that, but I think it really does help, quote unquote, open up your eye on the inside. And now I'm taking the gray color and just putting it all underneath my eye. Again, just making sure everything matches. And now I'm taking a little bit of black eyeliner and just only putting it on the outside of my eyes. Putting it on the waterline and on the lash line. I'm taking some of that gray color again. I know you can't see it, I'm kind of off the video, but I'm just blending it all together. And again, matching on the other side. And then I'm taking some of that blue, the Temptation, I'm just mixing it together, putting it underneath. Not all the way though, not on the outside. Now I'm taking the white pencil and I'm putting it on my waterline, but not all the way through, only on the inner half. Yes, the inner half. And now I'm just going back over with the black. So the black makes the outside corners recede, so theoretically that should make my eyes look a little more open, maybe a little more rounder. That is a tip I picked up somewhere else. And now this part of the video focuses on I decided I wanted to try to do a wing, and wings are so super hard for me because I do have super duper hooded eyes, but I also have deep set eyes, and I also have downturned eyes on the outer edges, so it is super hard to figure out how to do eyeliner. It turns into this graphic weird 7 thing that you can see on my other eye. I almost thought about cutting this out of the video, but I decided not to because I figured, hey, this could help someone else. I don't know. Like I said, I posted this in the Hooded Eyed Beauty Facebook group, and some people asked for this video, so I'm like, hey, I'm going to share the link with them. This eyeliner is hilarious. I don't normally do winged eyeliner, but yeah, I definitely wanted to try it out today. So also another tip is when you're doing eyeliner, not even graphic eyeliner like this, if you just wanted to line your eyes, line the outer edges on the outside. But if you're gonna, you know, line it on the inside, do it basically on your inner waterline, or just try and shove that black eyeliner in between your lashes. Don't just do a whole thick line the whole way. And then also I've been experimenting with making this little line on the inside corner of my eyes to again try to lengthen my eyes. And I'm going a little crazy just sitting there trying to be very careful doing this. As you can see. And again, just trying to make sure the other eye is already done and they match. Okay, almost done. Almost done. So, Melt. Yes, my Melt Beetlejuice collection mirror. Yeah, I'm still rocking out to Queen. Okay, calm down, Kristen. Yeah, so I'm just kind of fixing up. I don't think they quite match the wings, but that's okay. I think it still turned out pretty good in the end. And again, I do really like this blue color. This is a very nice color. Now I'm just checking to make sure they look pretty much the same. I do have little wing stamps that I could have used too. I didn't think about it, or I couldn't find it. I don't remember. But now I'm just curling my eyelashes, and I probably could have worn nice fake eyelashes as well, but I have, like I said, such super hooded eyes. It is very hard to wear, basically. because yeah, it's just very hard to wear eyelashes. Let's just put it that way. So I'm just using my Potion Project Pan. This is my mascara. This is an e.l.f. mascara. It says it's waterproof, but it doesn't act very waterproof, but that's fine. I have so many other mascaras, so I think I've given this one a good couple of months, maybe 2 months. I might switch it out. I'm not sure yet. Anyways, I'm just finishing up the liner, and that's it for my look. So I hope you enjoyed it. We're coming to the end here, so I will speak to you in just a moment. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more hooded eye, colorful looks from me. I'm still learning. I do post every single day as well. So if you are into weird shit in general, like makeup, wrestling, and Rocky Horror Picture Show, you've come to the right place. Anyways, I will talk to you later. Bye.